Hey, what's going on, everyone? Guess what? What if I told you that hedge funds are buying Square or Block? Yeah, and what do you think? I mean, just look at the chart, and I want you all to let me know, do you think smart money is buying this stock right now? Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I am going to give you my thoughts. I am going to give you my opinion, my price prediction, my forecast for Block, and tell you all what I think. Because if so, guess what? We may be on the starting point to see this stock go up in value, because we've been seeing the price in Block go extremely lower in price. Welcome. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, because I'm here to make sure that we are able to understand how the market dynamics really work. Technical indicators don't show you this. Fundamental analysis don't give you this. The lifeblood of every market is volume, is who is participating. What do they think? The price chart gives us that analysis. All you have to do is simply analyze price bars and volume to get understanding as to what the overall market thinks. Because think about it. You have a lot of smart individuals in the financial space. You have individuals who creates algorithms to make sure that they take advantage of the stock market. And don't you think that they understand where market is trying to go? So what we need to do, for those who are looking on the outside, we got to pay attention to what they do. And the price chart is literally the location. It's the battlefield between everyone else who is interested in these stocks. You don't need nothing else to understand where the market is trying to go. So hit me up, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, join the team, because this is what I do. I don't play around. I don't give you a whole lot of hope. I don't tell you to hold these stocks for the next 40 years, because eventually all stocks go up, right? Yeah, this is what these YouTubers are trying to get you all to do. But check this out. Not only do I show you the good plays, not only do I show you the price predictions that I get correct, I'm human. And guess what? I'm going to show you the ones I get wrong. Now, the issue that so many people do on YouTube is that they continually to pump out, videos day in and day out about the same stock, about how they're going to continue to buy even when the stock goes down. I don't do that. Once I recognize the market changing direction, then I need to come back and tell you all, hey, the market sentiment has changed. Yeah, I didn't get my last prediction right. But now guess what? Based on the information that is now being seen on the chart, we can see a better idea as to where market is headed. This is the case right now for Block. Yeah, I was looking for the market to go down in Block. You know why? Because the downtrend was still intact. The volume wasn't coming through. But just a couple of days ago, right, we saw something happen. And then one thing I want to remind everyone is that volume is very important. Volume tells us who comes in and plays, right? And I want you all to see this on the daily time frame. This is Block over the last couple of days. Okay. And first things first, you always want to take a look at the volume, because volume tells you who's coming into the market, right? So just the 25th, a couple of days ago, 2 days ago, look at all that volume. Somebody came into the market and played. A big pocket came into the market and played in Block 2 days ago. So now from here on out, we need to pay attention to see how this price trades, because if the market doesn't fall in Block anymore, then this was the bottom right here on the 24th, where the market opened at $83. That was the bottom. Charts don't lie. So now I didn't get this right. Just by this alone, it lets me know that the market may found the bottom in Block. And when you see these type of things, you need to react quickly and say, yeah, if I didn't get it right, I need to cut the losses, because if I don't, then my losses will increase. And then I need to play the right side of the market. It seems as if the downside market has now stopped momentarily. It doesn't say that it's done, but it does say that the price has stopped right now, like the leak has stopped. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. Okay, that's 34, almost 35%. Hey, it happens. Like I said, I'm human. Didn't get this one right. Now look at this though. Okay, what this shows us is that the support area into the market in Block came in around $84, $85. So one thing we can now address and show is this, right? Seriously, we really need to pay attention to the market. This has played a vital role in the value of Block, or what was formerly known as Square. Take a look. Let's pay attention to what price, how price acts around these price levels, right? This is around $80, $84. Okay. So back here in June of 2020, the market in Block bounced from support. That was support. Now, just a couple of months prior to June of 2020, look at this. Let's keep it real, right? Let's keep this thing real. The market was acting as restriction, okay? Right here around $84. It was doing the same thing back in 2019. That was a lid. This was really keeping Square Block's price low. Like somebody was selling the market there in Square or Block. But this time, look at this. The market bounced. It came and held support there again. This is very important. This is crucial. I'm here to tell you this right now. As long as the market price in the Block does not fall below $84, guess what? We're going to maintain this as consolidational trading. Yep, right there. So now we identify where the buyers are at. And not only that, they have another area of support now, right here, 100. So we're creating a firm foundation, you know, a wall to where as long as price in Block does not fall below, we understand that the stability and that the strength on this chart is still here. Okay. So we got that. $84, $100, all the areas of support now in the market in Block. Seeing that price is around 120, I'm going to continue to show $100 now. But again, don't forget, $84 is also an area of support. Okay. Now understand, when a market is in a downtrend, a massive swift downtrend like the one Block just got finished with right here, we saw this market go all the way down and lose 69% of its value. It requires a whole lot of volume to stop that, right? To plug the hole. It takes a whole lot of volume to do that. And you guys can see that we didn't see this much volume ever in Block, in Square, maybe until October 2018. So we're almost 3 years it's been since we've seen this much volume in Block. So let's look at this on a weekly time frame. Okay. And this weekly time frame right here in Block is massively strong. Like this is a very strong bullish weekly price bar. On top of us just seeing this market in Square and Block not fall. This was all selling right here on this weekly price bar, right? All of these weekly price bars right here was selling. And for us to see that stop last week closing on the high, yeah, the market sentiment has changed in Block for real. So now I like that. Looking at this on the 2 weeks time frame, this also continues to show forth the strength into the market in Block. Like we had the last two weekly price bars, the volume has been extreme. This shows us that the buyers are now stepping into the market in Block. The big money can't hide their footprint. They can't do it. When they come into the market, this volume signifies that they're now approaching this stock's price. They find it attractive. So now they're trying to come in and fill the bag. You just got to believe what you see on the chart. It doesn't require anything else outside of that. So now let me hit this back over to the weekly because I wanted us to try to gauge how high can price go, right? Because I'm looking at 140. I would probably say like 135 to 140 will be the next area of restriction, meaning the next area to where people are going to try to dump their shares in this market to try to bring down the price or at least try to take profitability. Yeah, 135, 140. So looking at this from that realm, let's see how high can the price go, right? 135, that's around 12%. 140 is around 16% movement, right? Now, we got $100 as our closest. We got 85 really. but we understand that $100 also is going to be support. Okay. Now, I want us to see the market strength. In order for us to see price go higher than that, like to 150, we'll have to break 135, 140 first. But I'm going to bring it up here towards like 150, which is around 27.75% movement higher in price for square or block as we continue to move on. All right. So this is the play. This is how I'm looking for the price in block to go. I'm giving you all my expectations, my forecast, my prediction. People say you can't time the market, but you definitely show where price is trying to go, right? And I'm trying to play the movement higher in block. Now I got 135, 140 first. Around that area, it's not going to be exact, but that's the location to where I'm expecting people to try to take the profit, and two, people try to dump the market, try to bring the price back down. Yeah, 135, 140 is the location there. Ultimately, right there around 150, we could possibly see the market in block come towards. All right. Now it's your turn. Hit me up. Let me know. Right. I mean, what do you think the market is trying to tell us? Basically, what happened on the last trading day on the 25th of February. Hit me up and tell me. All right. I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.